It's a facility maintenance tech. My next work order is some broken furniture. It's a treatment recliner that the handle broke off that releases the foot section. Never done this one before. I ordered the parts and I'm about to get started. Here's the treatment chair. This is actually a release for the footrest. There should be a handle here that's plastic that broke off. So I have a new part here. This is the handle that snapped off. So we'll see how much I need to take apart and install this so it's operational again. Looks like there's 2 screws here to remove. So I'll go ahead and remove those. This is a treatment recliner in a healthcare clinic. How much this will come out or not?
I can take her, Mag. I don't have anybody else now yet.
Not bad, not bad. Looks like I just got the cable here. Wonderful.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what you said.
Trying to see if this is serviceable. Or I might have to remove the whole cable. That's how the lever works.
Your white paper's for over you. Is that what it is?
Let's see if I remove the cable.
Picked out yet? What were they? Firefighters. You're here today. I am. Hey. Does the costume still fit him, or do you have to get new ones? I had to buy a new one for Evan.
That's a good sign. That's a good sign. There we go. Alright, so this is garbage. Let's see if I can remove the cable from the new one. Ah, I see. This holds it in place. This here holds it in place. Let's see if we can remove that. A flathead screwdriver. Because I just want to remove the cable. Yeah. Everything's made out of plastic. I didn't see one of these on the existing one. It's on the new one. Right, stops this cable from popping out like that. Alright, so this is a new cable put to the side. Let's see if we get the old cable on the new handle. Alright, that's in position. I see this as being critical here to hold it in place. Alright, I got one hooked, two hooked. I am going to go ahead and install the two screws and see if it will actuate whatever it's supposed to be releasing. Perfect. The footrest pops up. That's what it's supposed to release. So let's go down in the zone. That's good. I'm gonna release the brakes. You never know what you're in for. You never know what you're going to walk into in a work order. But this seemed to work out pretty good. There, I want to give you a view. I'm going to go ahead and sit in the chair like a patient would. Go ahead and hit the release. There we go. Nice. Alright, just gotta clean up. The work order's completed. Test it one more time. Alright, it's repaired. Okay. That's one treatment recliner repaired.